appetizers of success. Put an app in for greatness and patience told me this well. Okay. Look for action and practice to get a hold of yourself. Yeah.
So, dope. How y'all doing tonight, man? We're gonna do a different channel. I'm reacting to a different channel. Gator suggested this content to me because I'm trying to venture out, you know what I mean? So let's get into it.
This footage was captured in Flint, Michigan on April 24th, 2023. The house had 2 Ring cameras, one above the garage and the other was a Ring doorbell camera.
Okay.
Around 10 p.m., a man in a red jacket and another person just behind him are shown walking up to the house's front door. Before knocking or ringing the doorbell, the man in the jacket immediately starts trying to break down the door.
You know I can see you, right? Like a clear. This is crazy. He already knew what he was doing.
The Ring camera falls to the ground from the impacts, but the door itself doesn't budge. After those few seconds, the man walks around to the house's side door and again immediately starts trying to break it down. By this point, the homeowner had woken up in a panic and was checking their camera's feed for an explanation. They noticed their doorbell camera on the ground, and so they switched over to their other camera. As the banging noise rang out throughout the house, they could now see what was causing it.
Oh, hell no, bruh. He's still trying, it's the craziest part. He's still trying, bro. Bruh. He couldn't get through the front door. Loud as fuck.
The homeowner's voice coming over the speaker was enough to scare the two men
to the
off.
side door.
Police were called out to the property.
Loud as fuck. He literally
They reviewed
kept
the footage.
going.
They noted that one of the men was armed.
He was already hot, and
What
he
these
kept
two men
going,
planned to do with
bruh.
the people inside, if they had successfully broken
What?
in, is unknown. It's unclear if they were ever identified by
on the
police.
front door, and still goes to the side door to try loud as fuck.
This clip was captured at 3 in the morning on April 9th, 2023. It happened in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The homeowner was sleeping when the clip was recorded. It wasn't until he woke up and saw a notification on his phone that he found out about it.
What the
He reviewed
hell?
the footage, horrified. This is what he
What's
saw.
on her nose, bro?
A woman is shown trying multiple different keys to get into the house and even looking around for a hidden one.
What y'all think she on? Is she drunk? Is she high? Is she both? I can't tell what she on right now, bruh.
The homeowner claimed that he had never seen this woman before. He said that she later started throwing rocks at his car and trying those
What the
locks.
hell?
It's likely she was under the influence of something. Multiple times she tries to insert keys into the doorbell camera itself. After a few
Bruh,
minutes,
that would
she
be
walks
so
off.
embarrassing if
He's never
she
seen
like
the property
lives
again.
2 doors down or some
Intentions
shit.
are unknown.
She's the neighbor's sister.
Walter Hickox is a homeowner in Daytona Beach, Florida. His home is set out in a wooded section of the city. In January of 2022, Walter was taking his 3 dogs out onto the porch when he noticed one of them intently looking at something outside. The dogs suddenly start running to the left side of the camera, and that's when Walter realizes they were looking at a black
I
bear.
seen this clip somewhere.
The bear climbs over a protective railing as it goes for the dogs.
A whole bear, bruh. Ah. Bruh.
With barely any time to
I
process
don't even know
he was
what I
saying,
would
Walter
do in
lunges
that
at the bear
situation,
as it goes for his
bruh.
dogs.
It's like as much as you think you're gonna be
Manages to
stronger
push
than
it
that
back
bear,
before
or
he
you
shoves a
can
nearby chair
overpower
in the
that bear,
doorway,
you
preventing it
can't.
from attacking again.
Have y'all not seen that
He yells
movie
out
with
that he was attacked
Leonardo
by a bear
DiCaprio?
as he
I
brings
can't
his
remember
dogs
the
back
name,
inside.
but he got demolished by that bear, bruh. I'm scarred for life after watching that movie. I can't remember the name. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all know what I'm talking about.
Stare, it all hit me, and I started bawling. I couldn't believe how close to death I was, and I did it for my dog.
Walter received minor injuries from the bear. His dogs didn't receive any injuries.
Man.
This homeowner in Texas got a knock at their door for a DoorDash delivery around 1:20 in the morning.
1:20 in the morning.
Only the homeowner hadn't ordered DoorDash. She was sleeping. It was only her and her nephew in the home at the time. She remembers waking up to a metal clinking sound, but didn't think much of it until she noticed damage to the outside of her house the next morning. This caused her to look back at her cameras, both the footage from her doorbell camera and the one she had set up in her backyard. This is what she saw.
DoorDash. Oh, hell nah.
The first video isn't as concerning. A woman standing at the door claiming to be with a DoorDash from 1:20 a.m. to 2 a.m.
1:20 a.m. to 2 a.m.
This could be written off as a determined delivery driver.
1:20 a.m. to 2 a.m. You stood.
But it was the backyard footage that was genuinely concerning.
For 40 minutes, you stood at the door.
4 men got into the backyard and tried to gain entry into the home through a window. It's likely they planned on entering through the front door by ambushing the person that opened it for the DoorDash delivery. But when no one answered, they resorted to trying the backyard while the fake DoorDash delivery stayed out front as a distraction.
These bitches
However,
got
unfortunately,
niggas,
the men would be unsuccessful.
and these niggas trying to rob
away from the house on the
niggas,
backyard
I'm
camera.
sorry for speaking this language, but it's
The
true,
4 men
bruh.
and the woman at the front
You
door were all
genuinely
seen
cannot
leaving the
trust
area
these
together in a
bitches.
dark-colored sedan. They were never caught
It's
by
sad,
police.
but it's true, bruh. It's true.
In June of 2019, multiple homes in Chicago got a visit from a man claiming to be an investigator known as Jeff Rushmore.
If you're a good lady, if you're a good, you know what I mean, if you're one of the good ones, you know what I mean, I apologize.
He was impersonating an investigator with the local police department, fully equipped with a fake uniform, a fake badge, and fake police radio chatter. This Ring camera caught him performing the act.
Fake badge.
Can you open the door?
26, I got you en route. Hill Smart District 821, gonna be the 6th person. 900 North Villa.
Bruh. Oh my god. You already don't really like trust the police, but like somebody doing this? Oh god. This make you not even want to open the door no more. Not saying like they knock on the door, but like this make me paranoid now.
The homeowner doesn't answer the door, yet the man stays in character, even faking a call back reporting the unresponsive
Bro, that
homeowner.
would be so funny if they called the
Another
police.
home in the area equipped with a Ring doorbell camera shows the same man. This time the homeowner does open the door.
Alright, what's up? What's going on? Do he got a weapon? Like, what is he? What's his angle?
Hi, sorry to bother you so late. Rushmore with the Winfield Police Department. I'm an investigator. One of your neighbors down the street reported a missing.
The video cuts out there. The man explains a missing person case, and when the homeowner says he doesn't know anything about it, the interaction ends.
That's it?
The motives behind him impersonating an investigator are unknown.
Wait.
Often there are cases like this where the man is simply trying to get people to open their door thinking they're safe, but proceed to rob them,
he's so
or sometimes
small.
worse. However, he doesn't do this.
Right.
No one knows his
What
motives. One commenter said, "I honestly believe he was testing the waters, and as he felt more confident, he would have escalated from getting people to open their door to entering into people's homes.
But
Only
he's
God
so
knows what
small.
next."
What is he gonna do?
According to recent documents, the man was
I
never
mean, I get he
identified.
could have a weapon or something, but like before he like, maybe he
This
only
video was
going
captured
after
in
old
Kansas
people.
City.
I don't
The
understand.
doorbell footage shows a man appearing on the left side of the screen and climbing on the guardrail. He was trying to stay out of frame as he attempted to take the Ring camera off of the home. Inside the home was a woman and her son. The man was the woman's ex-boyfriend. He failed to remove the camera, so he left, but returned 30 minutes later. This time he had a cloth to cover the camera.
He's smart this time, but how you gonna get to the camera? You ain't even cover your face. You just trying to cover the camera. Like, what is going on right now? What is going on right now, buddy? You gonna cover the camera, but you ain't gonna cover your face before you cover the camera. What's going? Talk to me. Talk to me. Do you know I can see you?
3 minutes later, the homeowner's son ran into her room, frantic, telling her their car was on fire. Police and firefighters were called to the scene, but not before the fire destroyed their car and most of their home.
Messed up.
Marianne, an expert in abusive relationships, responded with, "Abusive relationships are about power and control, and when that power and control is taken away or it's minimized, then what we see is those efforts are escalated to try and get them back." Police are currently looking for the homeowner's ex-boyfriend seen in the video.
See, oh man.
This happened in April of 2023 in a wooded section of Asheville, North Carolina. The homeowner of this house got a notification saying motion was detected at her front door. She opened the app on her phone and saw 3 bears on her front porch. They were tearing open a package that had recently been delivered. Inside the package was dog food, which they easily would have been able to smell. The homeowner opened her door and confronted the animals, trying to scare them off.
I know you got a gun, bruh. You living out in the woods, just shoot in the air. I know you got a gun. Damn.
The bears take one of the 2 bags of dog food inside the package. They're seen on the right side of the screen with the bag in their mouth as they walk off.
There's some straight
This footage
savages
was
out
captured
there.
at night just before 2 a.m. It shows a man ringing the doorbell to this home in Rochester, New York. Immediately after, he hides behind a parked car. He's seen crouched down, holding some kind of club in his hand, breathing heavily and sweating profusely. He nervously looks back and forth from out at the street to back at the house's front door.
What the hell is he doing?
The man clearly looks to be on something. When he realizes no one was going to answer the door, he walks away. Another minute passes when a voice yells out that the police are on their way. It's unclear whose voice this is. There are 2 main possibilities
What the hell is going on, bruh?
Either this man was hiding from someone for one reason or another, and he was trying to get inside a house so that he wouldn't be found, the voice being the person he was hiding from. Or he was trying to bait the homeowner into opening the door, where he then planned to do who knows what. The voice here being a concerned neighbor that saw what he was doing. Either way, the man most likely did not have the best intentions.
Alright, bruh, gang. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was good. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section if y'all want me to keep going with these videos. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. OJ!
Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. I'm on my shit. Hop on my blade on my wrist. I let her rip, babe. More sugar on my lemonade. Shorty laugh, but I promise there'll be better days. Anyway, leave me alone. None of it's good. Fuck up my energy, all in my hood. Swear they don't take it, I'm knocking on wood. Give me a loan. 500 for goods, give me a home. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone.